Dr. Stewart here. Just wanted to take a quick moment to talk to you guys about that popping and cracking sound that's often associated with an adjustment. So a lot of times in traditional chiropractic techniques, you will get that popping or cracking sound when a joint is moved or manipulated. And that happens because it's actually kind of like when you pop the cork of a champagne bottle. There's carbon dioxide that's in there, and then when you relieve that pressure, you get that pop sound. So when it comes to a joint, you actually have a buildup of gases of oxygen, nitrogen, and carbon dioxide within that synovial joint. So whenever you release that pressure or release the joint, you get the popping and cracking sound. I practice a technique called prone specific. So it's very light, it's very gentle, and a vertebra will only move 2 to 3 millimeters. So I always say there's no sense in trying to move it 6 inches at a time. It's very light, it's very gentle, it moves with you, and it's comparable to kind of sliding in the joint into place instead of an abrupt movement of the joint into place. So it can be a good option for those who are apprehensive about getting care because they don't like that popping and cracking sound. But just because you didn't hear it doesn't mean it didn't move. So as I always say, don't get addicted to the crack.